Oh, I when a great man rise, them want see a great man fall. Just for your nose, yeah. But never do them nothing at all. Oh, I. They get a fight when they start trying. No lie, no lie. But put me trusting on the most high. Mentally they wanna break me down, but me listen judge every sound, yeah. Cause I'm a king, they wanna take the crown.
What up, vlog world? You don't know, it's your girl Melika Skylife in the building, and we're on the road now, on our way to town. We have Punky right there. We have Kin right there. Arakar Chiny Bums. And sun hot, brilliant hot, little boy. Brilliant. But we are going keeping it jiggy. We're walking to our drive as usual.
Weird.
So Punky, what going?
But they have on white free.
Wally camera.
What's up, vlog world?
I'm gonna look so dark. Hold on.
No, me there one day for my eyes. See there, see come there.
Okay.
No man.
Camera in
I'm a
focus.
brown, you know. Oh, alright. See me up.
Thumbnail.
That a kid in our China bums bumpy. Melika and our. I don't know, and this is me. Can't take over now, my Skylife. And
So we're going in
Melika.
town now. We're gonna do some business transactions.
How this here?
Where?
Oh, you must.
So we're walking on the road. Not much now go on.
Not much. Only thing then they fix the road, but dirty bad mind fi dead.
Guys, in
You loading?
in the last clip, right? Stephanie's supposed to get glasses, and I'm supposed to get glasses, but I have to do it for my test.
That's
But-
look nice too.
My eye drops not finish yet, so I have to finish my eye drop. And I can't do it in a week because I can't go to Dusty.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mix up on the blender. Whoa, yeah, you're so nice.
You never done talk his story,
Oh.
you see you?
I was saying, yeah, we're supposed to get glasses. Me have to go for my test. I'm not sure you're going to fit me with me. Auntie. Kin, you have to be shameless when you're doing this thing. Yeah. You see this thing around the backyard. Why?
Yeah, we are there. Me aunt kind of there, you know?
Monkey front camera with this. Back camera.
Front cam.
Got people video me fi vlog.
Now go vlog, so you have to turn it a long way.
You see when I have a piece of phone, you say, Elia, fi go through, you know? Sorry.
No, you. Start over. No, you.
Me
No.
say, what you do?
Me, I can't say words in. No,
Me say, what do you?
no new youth to my circle.
That I couldn't find no new youth.
How are the youth? How are the youth?
No, God.
I say what is?
Put fun and joke aside,
No,
Melika.
no, you, no. That's what you. I'll struck you again.
Woo!
But they are going to walk on the road and stuff.
Yeah,
Drive.
no
And-
drive.
We're driving another year, so we have to walk by main road.
Can't put that on Skylight TV.
Okay. Be afraid. Me?
Woo!
How me look? How my body look?
Down, down. Oh, my body look up,
Punky
up.
now?
So my body.
Me look slender, slim, red. Me no work out this morning. I go work out when I go.
So I first me hear one drive from Waywalk. Oh, a fancy Kim said one.
Stop that.
Me all ring me foot a seal the thing seal up me tell you.
Anyways, this is where we're gonna end this vlog.
But mine can't stop we. Me don't know what them a try. Yo!
Boy.
Man, I tell you no
Hello,
like.
bad mind.
Good morning. No say you never did want to see me wake up. Me still talking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello, bad mind.
How you doing today? How you doing today? Me no want to see no straight face round me. I just saw me stay. I and me no big friend. Hey.
You know, I'm a straight face round there. Straight face, me no know.
I say no straight me I got straight on this. No man, I ain't even could have tapped me.
Me never see you.
Well,
Right up on next round. King, come bust the song for you, please.
Kin, what you late for? If you move up your body, jiggle up, wind up your body and jiggle up your body. Hey. Make them sit.
Do you remember me?
No, I don't. Where were you when my mama hungry? I don't. Yeah. Do you remember me? Me no recall.
Them never get a call till them get a call. Man a rise, man a fall.
So you know
Yo.
if you say that and you could
Lyrics.
just say something more around
I
this.
don't know want to do this a while ago. Me get stammer.
Stammer, boy, you no stammer
She
your
get
tongue.
stammer, mama. Tane. Yo, that's why
Me don't know why I about stammer, mama.
you know that song there?
No.
She get stammer, mama. No. She get stammer, no. She say, I did the tea, cha. Driving a day, sitting on there, na.
Cause you have lyrics, you know, big up yourself anyway, you did the G. Yeah, the teacher. I'm not sure if I jail in there. You tell me, say, a weekend in there, you know, say they ain't come out. Woo! Have you asked government that?
Yes, so nice.
He gets a bubble like a chicken gravy. She make me feel like a little baby. I just a nice thing I gotta see me.
And she come
You
in
know me house that never hear it.
I used to nice. Way.
Tanto Black real rich. What you say?
Tanamane.
Come here, idiot, you know.
Why when a great man rise, them want see a great man fall?
I don't know.
Just see and know say.
We never do nothing at all.
Boy. That's why me stop it.
Copy.
Kin, why, family, you, my love sing. Family.
Redemption.
Yes.
Oh no. I'm just trying to make some music. I'm just trying to entertain. Some said I'm young and crazy. Some said I am insane. I live my daily yabaya. Never once complain. We might share the same culture, but we are not the same. That's know what they do. Anyways, you can check with your music classes.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Okay, you can subscribe. Malika Sky Life. Stop. Look down. Yeah, we see the subscribe button. It's in red. You subscribe. We will appreciate it and enough love and thing, you know.
We
One
appreciate
love.
when you subscribe.
One love.
Which song for that now? Rise up a song for that.
One love. Do-do-do-do-dum. One heart. Let's get
together and
feel alright.
guys, this is where we'll end this vlog. Please remember to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and also show the love.
Peace. Peace.
We're out.
We're out.
Stephanie. Punk.
Yeah, Melly Boo.
Me I see a selfie mode. This step on, I'm not too sure if it take off. We're walking to, we're at Fairview now. That's in Montego Bay.
Fairview, Montego Bay, right near Wendy's. The only Wendy's in Mobile.
This is like the hub right now of Montego Bay, where I can get everything in one setting, you know. So we're walking to an office now. I hope you line along in there.
Backside. A joke.
So we're walking to an office now.
Well, it's AC, so I'm what am I say?
After that, we are going to go for lunch because I'm hungry right now and stuff. So yep.
Where you pay?
I want to go up at customer service because number say something hour
And you want to change this something?
the password. I want to know how much. Guys, you see camera no focus. I don't know what's wrong with it.
Focus.
I don't know. I know that like it on beautiful face or something.
Oh, your face look beautiful.
So guys, we're gonna go for lunch. When we're out for lunch, we'll get back to you. Okay guys, so we are about to go for lunch. Haven't decided what we wanted yet. Stephanie said she want burger, but me don't want a Wendy's.
Burger, I want. Wendy's.
If I go to Wendy's, I eat the salad.
Lord, Melike, you know, say you're not going to eat. You go one piece of the burger, you're not getting none. So you better choose the burger.
I don't want a burger.
Just pull up to my bumper. Pull up to my bumper.
A Krabby Patty Wendy's sale, not
Yes,
burger.
sir. You see what they have on Facebook when all that stuff flood out? What a catastrophe.
I never think around here, so I thought it was. I don't want to me get tongue tied every minute. I thought it was the other side, around the next side.
Them pick the and so them to get some liquor in their tea.
I would have whap him up out there, see man. No, so they would have to call up me up. Oh, Tada.
Done.
Pick if you behave.
Mess up, put financial aside. Go where you go.
You want ice cream?
Me do your ice cream. That's a feed this dessert.
My belly, me sign us a draining us not to splat.
Mr. Melika, what day, let me tell you the story. What day me and mommy come a be? Come a be if you buy school things and stuff. So we say we are go over where? What place over there son here?
Yes.
No man.
Yes, Sinclair Bargain Center.
Sinclair's Bargain Center. We come we were over this section, yes, that day there. When we done, mommy go down so. So mommy say, come on Punky, we are going to me say, mommy, me nah come on down there so. Mommy walk down. You know one big building over there, so like one hotel in there.
Yes.
Round there so mommy catch me say, you understand now. You wake up. Me not go with her. Then she said, alright, Punky, ask one lady. The lady show with directions. The lady show with directions.
You want Sakura?
I want burger. When rain fall, what me go do? Alright. Pulling. And you smell good, man. Nobody want burger. Smell damn.
They have dumpling, sweet potato, white rice. I love white rice. Move there. Punky, I'm not take my one another day food there. I'm not snap a video. I'm not take my one done. We'll go back over Wendy's. Jamaican home style. What?
Push this side.
So we decided we were gonna have Wendy's.
Mr. People.
So guys, we have decided we're gonna have Wendy's. Can't bother with the mix.
When we do the teeth challenge.
No, me can't enter.
Show your teeth just for the
Alicia, this me.
nobody do it, cause me can't take his struggle. Struggle is real. I went to the dentist, mother sent me to the dentist. My teeth are so white. But the doctor man said, the dentist said that I must floss my teeth more often because they're so close together. Like the food them just a stuck up in my teeth. If me laugh too hard, a food that you're mad. I just a go. Girl no carry food in her teeth.
Come over here.
Girl no carry brown teeth. What you say, me? Why? No, sir.
Rain is, it's gonna rain soon. I want to go buy chicken for Mama. Downtown Highway.
Mama no say want KFC. KFC not right over there, sir.
I want pretty little walk, Stephanie.
I lie.
But you know, say KC down to always.
Fool, that me said too.
But the KC out there so always now have something.
I prefer now have nothing more than me put on so me have fit up in a one long night. Me ear should I do like me ear would have just then slip in a breeze. The breeze is so strong and yeah.
Anyway guys, I'm pretty hungry and we're gonna have lunch now, so we'll get back to you later on today.
Later!
Guys, we're back. We're through with lunch. We're going to buy something. What are we going to do? Buy something for Mama.
And then we're going to check overflow.
Oh yeah, we're going back to the cable place because our internet is not working good. And then we're basically gonna go home for the day. It was raining, so we're in here for a little while now.
I'm so cold. Like
And stuff, so we are going back overflow because we need the internet because I need to upload for you guys today, but because I don't have any connection, it's a bit late. But yeah, that we do. Basically I think we're going to wrap this vlog up, like complete the vlog here when it is.
that's a complete vlog done, man. You're too choke.
I think we're going to end this vlog overall, this vlog here now, and thank you guys for watching. Please remember to subscribe, leave a comment below, and also give us suggestions of videos you want to see from me and Punky, challenges and stuff. We're open to what you guys have to say, and leave a comment down below.
How much comment I want?
Let me know in the comment down below.
You're
That's so
How
corny.
you a comment?
Yeah guys, peace. Thank you so much for stopping by Melika Sky Life TV. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscription button. I'll see you on the next vlog.